Alright you guys, so today we are going to be opening up a box from Tilta. I went ahead and ordered something from Tilta. Wanted to show you what the actual box looks like when you receive it. Bam. Cool. All right. Are you guys ready to see what's in the box? Here it is. Countdown. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, what do we have here? So what it is a matte box. It's a mini clamp on for my Sony FX3. Okay, cool. All right, so I practically ordered this a month ago. I ordered this on May 10th. It came like maybe a couple days ago. I have a better visual for you guys and you know, have something different. Ooh, looks like there's more stickers here. Cool. All right, cool. It looks like they hooked us up with quite a bit of stickers here from Tilta. That box. We'll go from here. All right, so what's in the box? Let's look at it real quick before I put this out. Let's look at this before I go ahead and install it onto the camera. So here it is. It's got a nice little handle here. It feels leather. It looks like it is leather. It probably is leather. So pretty much what it is it comes with this hand strap, which I don't know about you guys, but the FX3 with the 24 to 70 or 28 to 70 or 28 to 75, any of those lenses get pretty darn heavy. So I find it useful for Tilta to attach the little hand strap there. So that's awesome. So this is what it looks like. This would be the screen. This is left hand side where the screen flips out. So this is pretty much what it looks like. This is the left hand side. It says for Sony FX3. Pretty cool. Looks pretty sturdy. It's definitely not a cheap product. So I had to pre-order this and it took about a month. And then now I finally got it. So. Alright you guys, I'm back and I do have the camera with me, the new Sony FX3, and I'm going to go ahead and install. So first things first, let's remove everything out of its plastic. Right, and that is cool. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is really cool. It's got those stickers. So what it is essentially is this, if you can see it. It's this guy, this sticker, right here in the middle. Kind of cool. Alright, first things first, what we'll do is we're going to skip the cage for now. We're going to put the top portion. Lastly, I will go ahead and install my Sigma 24-70 lens here. I'll be back.